Hello and welcome back to the channel. So now with the elections only a day away, I am bringing you this video by way of a public service. So now these are 7 things that you're not meant to do on election day, particularly around the polling booths. So now as Nigerians again prepare to go to the polls for the 2019 general elections, there are quite a few things that the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC would love to make clear. As part of its public awareness campaign, the commission has revealed 7 cardinal sins that should not be committed anywhere around the thousands of polling units where Nigerians will cast their votes on Saturday. The election day offenses listed by the commission are: 1. Campaigning for votes or persuading voters not to vote for a candidate. So that's the first one. 2. No shouting of slogans concerning the elections or in support of any party. 3. No one should be in the possession of an offensive weapon or wear any apparels calculated to intimidate voters. 4. No one is allowed to use vehicles bearing the colors or symbol of a political party or candidate. 5. No one is allowed to loiter at the polling unit without lawful excuse after voting or after being refused to vote. 6. No one is allowed to snatch or destroy electoral materials. And by the way, Buhari has already prescribed a penalty for that. So you do that really at the cost of your life, effectively, is what Buhari has said. So 7, no one is allowed to blare sirens. So that's all. Even though INEC did not include it in its main list of offenses, mobile phones are prohibited inside the polling booths when a vote is being cast, but can be used around the polling units. So there you have it. Those are the list of do's and don'ts for election day, especially around the polling booths. So those are the list that you have to adhere to. Those are the things that you must not do. So good luck with your vote. Let's see if we can get Malam Buhari out of Aso Rock so that we can take our country back and get back to being a civilized people. So with that, I'll leave you there. If you have any other thing that you feel that should not be done in and around the polling booth, then please do leave that in the comment section. That's where the conversation takes place on this channel. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.